the roots of it, you know, what makes you want to hold on to. All right, so then we're going to sit it directly into the pot.
And this is the part that this is the part right here that intimidates me the most about getting a new plant, because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to replant that one day. He's gonna grow and I gotta repot him. So thank you for this part of it, because this is the part for me too.
This is the
I'm scared. I'm scared because I'm like, man, what if I still don't? What if I go to that new environment and I still don't?
And you don't feel and end up falling apart and having to start all the way over. But you can't be afraid. This plant is extremely resilient. Even if it...
That's what you were saying before. We don't got to believe, we don't know how resilient we are.
We just got to try, bro. It's true. If it dies, all right, you come back even stronger. The plant is going to either come back or you get another plant. With the plant world, I don't know how to attribute that to our journey. Maybe if your sense of self die, you go into a space and you don't really feel connected, then you get to start over, build yourself up from the bottom. That's scary, but again, you get to start, not starting from zero, starting with the knowledge of where you fucked up at.
So
yeah. All right, so now that we got it in there, this is the new world. This is your foundation. This is the new world you're going into. Your foundation of your new sense of self, your new habits, your new friends, all of the things that are now you. This is that. So you're going to add all of your new foundation, internal foundation, into your new world. All right. So that's what we're going to do. Put it directly in there. All right.
What's the other side?
Go ahead. I'm gonna just mix it up and try to warm it up with your hands a little bit before you get it all in there, because the store is kind of cold. This was outside. Yeah. You want to go all the way to the top, about half an inch to the top. Good. All right. Now my trick is that let's settle in a little bit. I'm just gonna add just a little bit more at the top. But now this plant has shown up in his new world with his new foundation. This plant is starting.
Wow, you looking good, young player.
It's now it really gets the opportunity to shine and grow, because one, it has healthy leaves. Two, the foundation that it has now is sustainable. This stuff wasn't sustainable. This stuff was killing it slowly.
Yeah.
This pot was choking it out. This old world was choking it out. The stuff that was inside of the world was poisoning it. All right? It needed to get out of that old world, let go of the things that was poisoning it, get into a new world, and fully embrace it and put his new foundation into this new world.
Yeah, I ain't even scared for him no more. I'm actually excited for this journey. Yeah, I'm excited for him now. I'm scared.
You're excited to water it and to give it, and to fertilize it, and to now it looks like it doesn't only look good, but it is good.
Happy now.
It's good.
Really happy.
Yeah, but you have to go through that process. If you didn't repot this plant and you left it in here, it was going to die. Either it was going to choke out,
or but. It's just a matter of when.
Either it was going to get choked out because the roots wasn't going to have any more space to grow, and the leaves were going to die, or if not that, the mealybugs or the spider mites would have sucked out all of the life. So it was going to die.
Yeah.
So you have to do this process. It's the toughest thing of world building and foundation building and all these things that's going to have you pretty much starting over. But if you're not willing to start over in a newer, healthier place, then you're accepting that you're willing to die in a place that isn't serving you.
Yep. That's literally what it is. That was the best way you articulated that so well. You are accepting the end before it has even arrived.
Right. And the world that we live in is built for that to be the case.
Yeah.
It's so hard, bro. It's so challenging. And most people don't have community, man.
Yeah. I know that's what I wrote that in one of my publications was, it took me until I went to my family reunion. I never had met my mom's side of the family entirely. I was more familiar with my dad's side of the family. So when I was 28, 29, my mom brought me to Boston to meet her side of the family. And I was like, oh my goodness. All I've been doing in my creative career journey is literally trying to recreate the spaces that I felt safe and nurtured in before my parents got divorced. I'm just literally, I'm trying to find community inside of these places that remind me, because I'm like, I remember the most intimate moments I had with my parents before they got divorced was we would go to my aunt's house and they would have a cookout, and then like they would do spades on the inside and I play hoops with my little cousin, and like that's the most, and I remember the most poignant moment was there was this song off Street Volume 2 by MC Light, y'all, you know what I mean? And I knew the whole song, so during the cookouts, people would be like, yo, TJ, rap that song. And that was the most wholesome moment in my life. And that's literally all my spaces. We got food, we got people learning who they are, we got music. Like, I was always just subconsciously recreating that space that I had that was broken out of my life. Mom brought me to the family reunion, and it was just that moment amplified. I'm like, oh, this is where she learned it. This is something that's in me that means a lot. It's like my, like you said,
the roots.
Yeah, this is the, what's that coconut stuff called?
Oh, coconut core.
That's what that is. It's like, that's the part that made me who I was, that I was sharing with the world the whole time. But I had never seen it at that magnitude. I'm like, oh my goodness, I had this all along. It was just phone calls away. So it shifted my whole like intention around like what you were saying, not looking for my happiness in other people and the compliments or trying to like navigate the criticisms, but knowing what my true, now I know where and why I'm truly rooted in this, and I can like show up full and whole instead of trying to like find myself in these moments so much.
Much larger sense of self. You're so much fuller and bigger as a person when you really spend time like processing these experiences and who you are, bro. And I'm glad that you had that experience, because again, for you to be able to fully sit in the things that you sit in now, you needed to really see yourself in a world that you came from and how that is contributing to the world that you have. And like, it's coming from a real place, a place of love and community and sense of safety. And it's great that you're replicating that, but it's even better that you're replicating that from a place of knowing. You know what I mean? Like, you're not just doing, you know exactly where this is, or at the very least you have an idea of where this is coming from, and you're paying homage to that. You know what I mean? That's dope.
So let's pay homage to what you got coming up. Like, what do you want to leave the people with before we go? Is there anything else we need to know about our repotting experience? Do you want to at least recap us before you give us all of the details on what we need to know before?
Absolutely. So we started this conversation with kind of like, what are the things that
weeding.
Yeah, what are things that you need to cut out of your life to get to where you are now? Like, what are the things that you need to cut out? And we transition from there to
the
nurturing. What are the things that you're doing? How do you nurture yourself? In those moments when you're stressed out, and especially when you're stressed out.
Especially when you're stressed out,
what are you doing? To take care of yourself.